quiet of the midnight hour, I am searching for a hidden power, trying to remember how it feels when the love is real. I keep my hands on the broken glass, try to hold on, try to make it last. Every shadow knows my name, but I still walk through the flame. If you hear me